All right, welcome to the Digital Credits Overview. My name is Malik Amir, always excited to be here. And right now, I'm just traveling all around the world from Panama to different countries and just really enjoying myself, having a great time with my family. But even more, we're really excited about what we have on our hands with digital credits right now. This company actually partnered with a huge company in the plastic credit space, and now they're doing leverage trading where the average person has an opportunity to 10x their deposit in just a matter of months with this platform. It's truly amazing. So, with no further ado, let me go ahead and share my slides so I can get into this overview for today. All right, so welcome to Digital Credit. And before we get started, just a little bit of a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not any type of financial advice. Just realize that we're all grown adults here. So please make your own decisions and don't do anything that you're not prepared to do. And with that being said, you can be a part of the solution and you can be a pioneer of this revolutionary product. This project has only been out for about 2 weeks now, you guys. It's taken the world by storm. We have over 20,000 members already, and this thing is looking like it's going to be explosive and it's moving at the speed of light right now. And we're doing something that's totally different that people haven't seen before in the crypto space. Digital Credit operates as a platform that facilitates ICO, initial coin offerings. And this is a trading that they do with sustainable assets such as plastic credits, carbon credits, and agricultural commodities. Its business model enables agricultural producers to obtain capital for exporting products like sugar, meat, and coffee. Digital Credit manages this capitalization and sells the rights to these assets on its platform to global buyers. So this is how they're generating an operational spread. And this way, the platform connects producers, buyers, and also members that are making deposits in a decentralized way to in a fast, secure manner and promoting profitability to the entire involved community. So digital credit is the first leverage trading platform. Right now, digital credit is introducing a leverage system to the market, allowing users to receive a loan and trade on the company's capital. So this is the part that most people are excited about, is that you get to leverage the company's money to create some additional passive gains in this platform. And by joining digital credit, you can gain access to the powerful ICO market backed by industrial operations, agricultural trade, and cutting edge sustainable technology. So, this is a revolutionary approach to financial growth and sustainability. So, let's talk about loan leverage. At Digital Credit, we operate with the traditional leverage model of the financial market, allowing the clients to expand their trading potential. And this is because with this platform, you actually have an opportunity to earn an amount 10 times greater just in a matter of months because you get to leverage the company's money and they're actually paying you on 10x of the amount that you initially deposited. So the way that this works is that the loan repayment is made every single month using a profit that's generated according to the fixed plans. So for instance, let's say that you came in with a $10,000 loan, you would make the first payment of $1,000, and then from there, every single month, the objective is for you to double that $1,000, take the profits that you're making, and put it back into the platform, and then you can continue to do this for 10 months, and you have an opportunity to earn 10 times the amount that you initially deposited. So let's look at a breakdown so you guys can see a visual of how everything works with the platform. So you can see that the starting point is 25 USDT. And if you guys started with 25 USDT, they're going to pay you on 250 USDT, and they call it a $250 loan. So each month you would pay 25 USDT. The objective is for you to be able to earn up to double that amount every single month. And then you would take the profits that you're accumulating to pay the following month that same initial deposit, and you can keep that going for 10 months. And it's something that's absolutely incredible. If you get started with 50 USDT, you're earning on 500 USDT. If you get started with 1,000 USDT, then you have a $10,000 loan and you're earning every single day on 10,000 USDT. And the maximum that you can deposit is 10,000 for a $100,000 loan, where you're earning on that 10x amount as well. So this is really, really powerful. The way that it works is you just make your initial deposit, and then from there you take the profits, pay the following month, and you can keep that going for 10 months, and you get paid with leverage in this opportunity. So now let's talk a little bit about the hybrid profitability. The system with digital credit is designed to help adopt the hybrid profitability model, combining different strategies to maximize returns and security for the clients and the members that are making deposits onto the platform. So we have profitability through operational spread. One way that they're generating revenue for the company is that the platform intermediates ICO transactions for plastic credits, carbon credits, and agricultural commodities. And next, we have tokenization and asset appreciation, where the conversion of the assets are going into tradable digital tokens, enabling greater market liquidity and accessibility as well. Then we have decentralized finance, where most people are pretty familiar with that. It's the integration of DeFi protocols, allowing investors to use tokens as collateral. And then we have arbitrage and spot trading. This is basically like arbitrage is when you buy a cryptocurrency on one exchange for a lower price, sell it on another exchange for a higher price. And this happens almost instantly. Then we have spot trading, where you come in at a market price and then you sell it for a higher price. So we have $21 million that are allocated to the arbitrage operations and the spot trading modality. So this is these are all the different ways that the company is generating revenue to be able to pay these type of profits to the marketplace. So that was pretty much all of the passive side. You can just make a deposit. You can get started and earn 10 times, up to 10 times the amount that you initially deposited. Now, if you want to become a broker, this is for people that actually want to share this opportunity so that they can create an additional income for yourselves. And we have a 10% direct referral. Anytime that you have a person that signs up directly using your link, 10% of the amount that they deposited will get paid out to you instantly, and it's withdrawable. You can do whatever you want to do with those funds. There's also an 8% binary compensation that's paid out on the lower scoring team or the lesser volume leg. And to be qualified to earn in the binary, I just want to point out that you need to have one active personal sponsored member on your right and one active personal sponsored member on your left. And as soon as you're able to do that, that's how you become binary qualified, and you can earn these additional 8% commissions. So if you look at this example, you can see Team A has 3,000 in volume. You can see that Team B has 2,000 in volume. So on this example, the left side of the business is the lesser volume leg or the lower scoring team. So if you're building or your team members are building on this side of the business, this is how you can earn those additional 8% binary commissions. And keep in mind that there's a cap on this binary, and the daily cap is the amount of installments that a person has to pay on their loan. For example, let's say that someone purchased a $10,000 loan and their initial deposit was $1,000. That means that their daily cap, or the maximum that they can earn per day in the binary, would be $1,000 in this example. So if you're somebody who comes in with, let's say, a $500 loan and you paid 50 USDT, you would only be able to earn up to 50 USDT from the binary as a cap on a daily basis. So definitely pay attention to what your deposits are, because the more that you deposit, the more that you can actually earn from the binary every single day as well. So just wanted to point that out. And it's always great to have caps in place for sustainability as well. So now let's talk a little bit about the career plan. This is when you hit certain milestones on that lower scoring team or the lesser volume leg. You can actually get some additional benefits from the company. And every single time that you hit the milestones, the company is going to pay you in USDT. It goes into your account instantly. And we already have several members that are climbing ranks and getting some amazing bonuses from the company right now. So the first milestone is when you have 5,000 on that lower scoring team or the lesser volume leg, you would get 100 USDT. This is the standard rank. Next is to become a junior. You need to have 10,000 USDT on your lesser volume leg, which gives you a USDT bonus of 200. Next, You have senior. Once you reach 25,000 on that lower scoring team or the lesser volume leg, now you get 500 USDT. And then once you reach 50,000, now you would actually become a manager in the company and you would receive 1,000 USDT. So these bonuses, they continue to get bigger and better as you go up the ladder. We're still brand new here, so we have people who are just now hitting these type of ranks in the company. Next is master. Once you reach 100,000, the company is going to give you 2,100 USDT. And this goes all the way up to black diamond in the company, where once you build a team of 5 million, you can actually get up to 1 million USDT for the bonus here in this company. So now let's talk a little bit about the rules. So the monthly account limit is 200%, and this is combining your earnings and your bonuses as well. So it's a 200% compensation model. If somebody's coming in completely passive, the goal is for you to earn on that 10x amount and potentially earn 200% within your very first month, and then take those profits and then actually pay for the next following month and then continue to double up every single month potentially. And if you're building a team, then those bonuses such as the direct referral and that binary commission, those all count towards that 200%, and it basically makes it go faster, right? So you can actually continue to speed up the process of earning that 200% and pay the following loan even faster so that you can earn that 10x amount, faster and faster the more that you refer and share this opportunity. And the profitability is from 0.65 to 1% per day. And if you're a passive member here, you're going to get paid Monday through Friday. So if you're on the weekend, like for me, it's Sunday where I am in the world, and you don't see that you got any passive earnings that came into your account today, that's probably because this is a 5 day per week model right now where you're earning passively from 0.65% to 1% every single day, and they're paying you 5 days per week from Monday to Friday. The minimum withdrawal is 15 USDT, which is a very, very minimal amount so that everyone can access their funds. They're receivable within 24 hours, and then the earnings are able to be withdrawn once per week, every single Monday. Bonus withdrawals from people that are actually building, you can do this daily with a maximum processing of 12 hours on the withdrawals. And I've been seeing them hitting lightning fast, even in less than an hour. A lot of the members have been testing it out. That's one of the things that people are always concerned with. How fast can I get my money? Well, the answer is it's happening very fast. And I've been seeing it happen in like less than an hour on the platform. There's a 10% withdrawal fee, which we probably already are accustomed to. And then you have the payments being acquired monthly on the loan that you originally deposited. So when you come in with a $1,000 USDT deposit on a $10,000 loan, every single month you would pay 1,000 to keep going and to keep earning for 10 months in the platform. And the earnings are being paid out every single day at 0 UTC time, so you can know exactly when those payments are being rolled out. So now let's look at some examples of compensation. So let's just say that you referred somebody and they came in with a $10,000 loan, right? In this case, they would pay 10,000 USDT. You would actually receive a 10% direct referral commission for this new sign up, which would be 10% of that, $1,000. And then also, if the person falls on your lower scoring team, you can also receive a compensation of 8% on the binary as well. So these are being paid out every single day at 0 UTC time. And this is basically just an example so you can understand how the compensation is being broken down. So now let's talk a little bit about ways that you can earn. So the first way that you can earn is just by making a deposit, coming in as a passive member. You'll be able to earn from 0.65% to 1% every from Monday to Friday. And you'll also be able to get paid on the 10x amount from whatever you deposited. So for example, let's say that you paid $100 for a $1,000 loan, right? You will be able to receive 0.65% to 1% based on that $1,000, not on the $100. So you're earning on the 10x amount. You also get paid that 10% direct referral whenever you bring someone to the platform. And then we also have the 8% binary as well. So now let's talk a little bit about the roadmap. You can see for 2024, the start of plastic credit operations. Then for 2025, where we are right now, creation of a community and financial services such as the exchange and also the crypto card. And then we have the second semester for 2025, adoption of the ICO and other agricultural products, commodities such as sugarcane and coffee. Then we have 2026, the investment in the acquisition of clean energy stations, solar and wind. Second semester 2026, acquisition of clean energy, usability matrix for the infrastructure and charging of electric vehicles, and supply of cities with up to 300,000 inhabitants. And then last but not least, for 2027, investment in clean energy, clean fuels based in sugarcane ethanol. So powerful stuff that's coming down the pipeline, you guys. And that's pretty much the end of this overview for today, you guys. Join the mission, and you can be a part of something big and a part of something that's having a great cause for the universe as well. You can help clean plastic from our planet. You can be part of the world's leading company. We have active partners in over 40 different countries, and this is an exclusive, unique business opportunity in the world. So get with the person who invited you here. Make sure that you get started. This is a phenomenal opportunity, and we'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace and blessings, everyone.